නමෝ තස් භගවතු අරහතෝ සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස නමෝ තස් භගවතු අරහතෝ සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස නමෝ තස් භගවතු අරහතෝ සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස බුද්ධෝ පිබුද්දස්ස බණේය වන්නං කප්පම්පිචේ අඤ්ඤමබාසමානෝ කීයේත කප්පෝ චිරදීගි මන්තරේ වන්නෝන කීයේත තථාගතස්සති. Dear faithful devotees, today you all came to our temple in morning time and clean the all around the temple, and now you hope to listening a very noble Dhamma fact which was preached by our omniscient one. Dear devotees, we should, in hearing Dhamma, we should control our three doors as mind, body and the word, and we should become to calm and quiet in hearing Dhamma, the hearing vacation. Dear devotees, above I mentioned a verse. Let's see the meaning of that. One of Buddha preached the virtues of the Buddha, or the discuss about the another Buddha's virtues. Those virtues will not end, but the will never end, but the even is will end up. Dear devotees, the Buddha is the best teacher in the world. He is the Buddha mean well realization. The Buddha realized all about the world. He mentioned as the world about this little boy as Kaya. Dear faithful devotees, today see the Buddha's virtues. The Buddha always showed the way to clear the defilements. He always showed the way to prevent from desires. The Buddha preached every time to develop our mind, to develop our mind to clear the defilements. And there is a verse in Dhammapada mentioned about the Buddha's virtues. Suppabuddham pabujjanti sadagotama savaka yesan divacha rattocha nicham buddhagata sati. If someone develop the Buddhanusati, or develop the virtues about Buddha, he take well sleep and well wake up. Dear devotees, there is a Sinhala literature explain one virtues as about the Arahanta guna, or the Arahant virtue. රහසත් පවුනකොට කෙලෙසරියුණු දුරුකොට නිසි වූයෙන් පුදට අරහ යන නම කියති මුනිදුට. About virtues explain the above stanza explain the virtues of Arahanta guna of the Buddha. Dear devotees, there is a statement as Sukho Buddhahanang Uppado. The birth of the Buddha is the well comfort to the human. Dear devotees, the Buddha's virtues we can't explain in short time because of his virtues lots, and we can't explain or discuss about in this short time or in this kalpa. Above kalpa the evan. Above verse explain as the Buddhopi Buddhasa Baneya Vannang Kappampiche. Kappampa mean the evan. Is the evan mean long time. We can't explain the Buddha's virtues in this short time. Dear devotees, you heard a little Dhamma sermon about the Buddha's virtues, explaining and his their lots virtues of the Buddha. And you have collected more merits. Please recite these verses with me.